Hi, I'm Bill Bastine, designated broker and owner of VOR Sells Homes. And did you know that if you were an investor and you owned real estate and you wanted to sell that real estate and buy another, say another duplex or fourplex or apartment building or whatever, you could use what's called a 1031 exchange and roll your proceeds from one investment into the next and defer all the tax until you ultimately sell it and pull the money out? Well, wouldn't it be nice if you could do that with your single family home? The home you bought 20 years ago for $200,000 and is now worth $2 million. And if you sell it, you're going to pay $260,000 in capital gains tax. Well, there is a way, and I'll walk you through it. And here it is. So let's use that example. You bought your home in Bellevue, Washington for $200,000 15 years ago, and today it's worth $2 million. So if you sell that home today, you're going to have $1.8 million of gain. You get your Section 121 exclusion, which lets you offset $500,000 if you're a married couple filing jointly. So they get your gain down to $1.3 million in the 20% tax bracket on capital gains. You're going to pay $260,000 in taxes. All right, here's another way. You have that same scenario. However, let's say you want to retire and buy a home in Florida. Now's a great time to buy a house in Florida. Market's down a little bit, you get a good deal. So you buy your house in Florida for $500,000 on the golf course. And the way you do that is you take out a $500,000 loan against your Bellevue house. You use those proceeds to purchase the Florida house. We'll put a tenant in your Bellevue house. We'll rent your house for 2 years. We'll turn it into an investment property so you'll get the same benefits as those investors get, only you're doing it on your primary residence. We're going to transition your Bellevue primary residence into an investment property over a 2-year period. You'll be filing tax returns that show appreciation or depreciation and rental income. All right, after 2 years, we're going to sell that Bellevue house. We're going to take the proceeds and pay off the mortgage that you used to buy your Florida house. So now you own your Florida house free and clear. You have $1.5 million proceeds from your sale of your Bellevue house that we will use a 1031 exchange and invest in another investment property. Could be a DST, something like very passive where you put your money in, you get a return. Some of our investors are getting 5% return on their DSTs. Wouldn't that be nice to help fund your retirement? So you'll have your home in Florida free and clear. You got your income coming off of your $1.5 million. Life is good. So if you like the sound of that, give me a call, 425-246-4555. I'd be happy to sit down with your accountant or your attorney, explain this whole thing, and we'll put it together for you. It's a 2-year plan. It's not quick money, but it's smart money. And that's what we like to do with our clients. And that's why we've been in business for 26 years. And I look forward to helping you. Bill Bastine, 425-246-4555. Bye for now.